Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Ma and welcome to a new video, guys. So it is Saturday morning and I am here. We having leftovers. We had sub sandwich for dinner last night, and so we're gonna just have the leftovers, and then I'm actually making some watermelon, lemon, and what was that, ginger juice for myself. There we go. Already blended it, and now I'm just gonna strain it out to get some of the pulp out. Yeah guys, and then I'm gonna go and clean the yard. So after I finish preparing all this, I'm just the kids them doing their sausage to go on their bread, and then I'm gonna have me another tofu sandwich, and I'll get back to you guys. Hi guys, so we did half of the yard. By that fence over there, there's still a whole section to do there and the back of the house, but it is too hot and this yard is too big to be done in one day. So we're gonna take a break and probably do the rest the following week. And that's it, you guys. Let me show you guys on the side of the yard. Right, it's not even done properly because the clipper is kind of dull as well, but we did the best that we could. And I really don't want it to be perfect anyway because I ain't got time for this. As long as it's not high, you know what I'm saying. But that's it. Let me go on around, show you guys what I have left. I feel like I want to put like a hammock in this tree, but I don't even know. I'm gonna see if I could do it. See, so we have this whole section to do. Plus over here, see, we need to really clean up over here. It's my daughter's bike. I think I'm gonna get rid of these chairs. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get rid of these chairs. Yeah guys, and that's about it. Alright guys, so now all that is done. So you gotta go buy groceries. I think I need to do something in my hair for this week. I haven't even got around to doing my hair yet, but after I come back from grocery shopping, make dinner, then I'm gonna go ahead and maybe take out my hair and wash it. I'm not sure what I'll be able to do with my hair as yet, but hey, needs to be done because I gotta go to work tomorrow. Alright guys, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Alright guys, so I'm here. I'm about to go to Target to get my milk, and then probably to Aldi's to get the rest of the groceries. I'm trying to avoid going to Walmart today because I am so tired. It is already after 6. I don't normally go grocery shopping this late, but I am hell for tired and having to do all that stuff around the house today and waking up so late as well. So now we're on our way to Target, as I said, pick up a few stuff here. I'm gonna try to get the stuff I normally get from Walmart. I'm probably gonna try to get them here just to avoid going to Walmart because I can't deal. And then I'm just gonna go to Aldi's and pick up fruits and vegetables, and that's about it guys.